Welcome guys, welcome to Peyoneer World. So today I'm going to show you a simple step approach of how you can receive your Clickbank earnings without hitches, without village people's problem. So I'll just jump on my system here and show you the exact approach to do that. And I always go by the African proverb that says, show me is better than tell me. So right before me, this is my Payoneer account. So if you don't have a Payoneer account, just do something very simply. Go to bit.ly slash Emperovia Trades. No, bit.ly slash go to bit.ly slash Emperovia Payoneer. So bit.ly slash Emperovia Payoneer. So this is what you click. So when you click on it now, it will take you to a sign up page on Payoneer. Let me check my dashboard. Okay, so I don't have it shortened. I'll just show you. Okay, I'll put the link on the YouTube video. So this is the link. You just post it on your browser. It will take you to a sign up page. Look at it here. Take you to the sign up page. So once you have signed up, you get a gift of 25 USD once you start using your Payoneer account. So you just sign up here. You can see for using my affiliate link now you can have this. Okay, so I'll go right before to my Payoneer account. Now, this is my Payoneer account. So when you click on sign up here, so you just sign up. Guys, and Payoneer is just a simple approach. You put your national ID cards. If you have your Nigerian identity card or something, number or something, you use it. It works super good. If you have your permanent vote, I think you need to use either in an international passport or a national ID card or something. You need to upload it. It takes 24 hours for Payoneer to verify your details and open you up for this. So that is that for now. So that's that for now. So you can see this is all you need to do. Once you put in these details, you just put in these details, then you go on and on and on and on. Okay, so and it just takes like just in 5 minutes you are done doing the application process, and you hold on in the next 24 hours, your details will be verified and your account will be approved. Then it will take you to, like, this is my account here. So I have my Nigeria bank account also linked to this my Payoneer account. Okay, so so this is also my Clickbank account. Remember, I've shared with you tips of how to open a Clickbank account on the class. So I'll just sign up here, like sign in here now. So it will take me to my Clickbank account, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to set it. Though in this account I've already set up a payment dashboard. So what I'll just do, I'll click on I think I'll go on marketplace. So sorry. So I think I logged out. Okay, so I think I logged out. So what I'll just do right now, I'll go on accounts, then I'll click on this. After I click on this, I will now go under account setting. Okay, so if you've seen, so I'll go under account setting. So I'm on my account setting. So under account setting, remember the first thing I did was to log in on my Clickbank account. Then click on the account I'm using, which is Emperovia. They can have many. You can look at it from this side. So Emperovia. Or sometimes people do visit the Clickbank marketplace. So the next thing to do is this is my account setting now. So for me to change my payment details, I had to, sorry, all these details are on like private. So on this side called payment information, I'll go on edit. Now if you see I've already changed this stuff. I'll go on edit. Now I'll go on my Payoneer account. Look at my Payoneer account now. You know, Payoneer gives me like 3 account number, US account number, that it has USD, Euro, and the Great British Pounds. Now look at I'll go on my like this side of like receive funds on the right bar of my Payoneer account, global payment service. So when I click on global payment service, it's going to show me all those my account details. So I'll click on my USD account details and look at my USD account. I will click on it. It will now show my USD account, all these details which I will use. I hope you're seeing. So these are the details I will use. So on this side where I'll see a country. Remember that the account that we created, the Clickbank account we created, because they don't accept Nigeria, so I showed you the method of using the UK. That does not mean that your direct payment country must be the UK. Now in this case we are receiving dollar because Clickbank pays in dollar for your affiliate commission. So on your bank country you use what is on your Payoneer account. Your Payoneer account is on USD. If you are receiving money in USD, the account detail that I'm giving you is a USD account detail. So look at it again. Look at it. This is a bank. First Century Bank is a bank in the US. Payoneer have a particular partnership that they create bank account for their customers in the US. They only use this account to receive payment from company. They don't use it to receive personal payment. Okay, so First Century Bank is a bank in the US. So when you go on your Payoneer account, you now write your Clickbank account. You just write here bank country, United States. Now city can be any city, but I prefer New York because New York is the largest city here. So then currency is USD, of course. Then bank, any bank that shows on your Payoneer account, this bank, any bank that shows, that's the bank. You type it, you just copy it here and go and paste it on your Clickbank account. So the next thing to do again is to they'll ask you for your account number and routing number. Now remember the account type. Now look at everything is on your Payoneer account here. Look at account type is on checking. Account number is on, you can see. Just be copying them and be pasting the routing number. So once you have posted them here now, you will now click on save changes. You can see I've already done that with my account, so I will not do that now. So once you click on save changes, you click this now. So you click on save changes, they will send you a particular email to your email address. So if you don't verify it on time, it means that somebody was trying to hack into your account. So once you finish these changes, it will take you straight to show like it's updated in 7 days. Then you will log in on the email that you used in opening your Clickbank account and click the verification link to verify these changes. You can see that my account is already set up with these bank details. So that's that for now. Yes, so I hope you understand this. The first thing is to open your Payoneer account, go on global payment service, click on the USD icon, then you see the account details. You update it with the one on your Clickbank account, then you save it. Okay, so whenever, and you remember that when you are receiving money from Payoneer, your money in your Clickbank account must be up to 100 USD before you can withdraw, because Payoneer does not accept payments less than $100. Okay. Alright, so that's super cool. So there's another platform again in case I want to send funds outside of Nigeria. You want to it's called TransferWise. So TransferWise is a very easy platform. It's like yesterday I think I got some transactions yesterday from the UK. So TransferWise makes it so easy to receive funds. It works faster than Western Union, and I'll just show you a quick stuff about it. You can also link your Payoneer to it. Okay, so let me just log in now. just log in now. So TransferWise, just go create your account. You can send funds in from Ghana to Nigeria, any countries. Very easy. So all these excuse of people telling you that, hey, I cannot go to the bank, I'm very busy. You can just create an account just in 5 minutes and send funds very fast. It works super fast and super good and super awesome. Okay, so maybe I don't know, my network is having some glitches again. So I may just stop the video for now. But so I hope you got value from this. So if I don't demonstrate it, just go on transferwise.com. I would have shown you. I will also leave my affiliate link on the video, on the YouTube video. So you just go and also watch through it and just take some actions. Stop having payment issues. All these issues of like your bank, your this, your Western Union. But just have some more knowledge and scale up. Alright, so that's that for now. So open a Clickbank account. I said about using Epic browser or then using a UK Clickbank account, because they don't accept Africans in their platform, but that's the most profitable affiliate marketing platform. But once you are in, you can still log in with your Nigerian browser. Like I didn't change my IP, you can see here. But when you're opening the account, I give somebody in UK to help you create the account for you, or that, then you can log in your Nigerian IP or your African IP. It still works. So the same thing again. Payoneer account is very easy, so I shared you my affiliate link. You can use that if you want to get some bonuses. Create the account. Sometimes it takes less than 12 hours, 24 hours. They will just update that they have accepted your account. Make sure you use correct details on your national ID card or international passport. If not, it won't be accepted. So once it's accepted, they will give you a unique number, and you have all these account details which you can use to receive payments at any place in the world. I can withdraw straight up to your bank account. You can see I have my bank account on it, so I can withdraw at any listing time to it. So that's one of the advantages. So it's one of the advantages of it. So that's one of the advantages of using this platform. So this is the TransferWise now. So look at it. You can just go here, like you send money. Sending money, it works very, very simple. You just put the person's details. If it's a particular country, you can detect all account number, and Filter Wave works more for Africans here. So once you just indicate the amount that you are going to be sending, or either the money is in dollar, let's say like $20. So I am not sending funds now. Let me say I want to send from this country to this country. So you just send like this. So once you now say okay, once you click like you want to continue, next you just see that you just have sender details, but then the sender account details and all this stuff. So it's like you're paying. So all those details. You can see you just add up the person's details and all this stuff. So that's that. So okay, so just try this out and thank me later. So alright guys, rate this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel. You can see this my Payoneer account also have my Nigerian bank details inside. So it's approved. I can send funds from this account to my Nigerian account. So payment can be super simple. I just saved you hundreds of dollars you would have used to pay payment agent for this. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, and see you on the best side of life. And drop your questions. If you have any of the hitches in doing any of this, please drop your questions. It will be awesome to answer all your questions. Then just take actions on this so far. Clickbank, Payoneer, TransferWise. Yeah, TransferWire, sorry. Alright guys, bye for now. I see you on the best side of life, and Perovia loves you. Take care. Cheers up.